Our story began eons ago in the vast and untamed wilderness of ancient Africa, where the relentless forces of evolution forged our species' remarkable journey. Long before the first civilizations rose, before the ink dried on the earliest written records, our human origins took shape through an extraordinary tapestry of change and adaptation. The earliest chapters of our evolutionary saga can be traced back millions of years to a time when our ancestral kin, the great apes, roamed the verdant landscapes of the African continent. These primates, our distant relatives, would embark on a transformative journey that would ultimately culminate in the emergence of our own species, Homo sapiens. Picture a world where the lush forests and savannas of Africa were home to a diverse array of ape species, each adapted to their unique environmental niches. Among them were the ancestors of modern gorillas, chimpanzees, and bonobos, our closest living genetic relatives. But one lineage, a branch on the great ape family tree, would undergo a series of remarkable adaptations that would set the stage for the rise of humanity. Around 6 to 7 million years ago, this lineage of apes began to adapt to a more terrestrial lifestyle, spending more time on the ground and less in the trees. This transition was likely driven by a combination of environmental factors, including changes in climate and habitat, that favored the ability to move efficiently on two legs, a trait known as bipedalism. The earliest known potential bipedal hominins, or human ancestors, date back to around 6 million years ago. Fossils like Ororin tuganensis and Sahelanthropus chadensis from Chad and Kenya, while fragmentary, provide tantalizing clues about the origins of this pivotal adaptation. As the epochs passed, these early bipedal hominins continued to evolve, their bodies and minds gradually transforming in response to the ever-changing environments they inhabited. Around 4.4 million years ago, a pivotal moment occurred: the emergence of the genus Ardipithecus, represented by the well-preserved fossil remains of Ardipithecus ramidus, nicknamed Ardi. Ardi's skeletal structure revealed a surprising mix of ape-like and human-like traits, painting a vivid picture of a transitional form that straddled the line between our ape ancestry and the earliest stages of human evolution. With its small brain, long arms, and grasping feet, Ardi was likely a skilled climber and arboreal forager. Yet its pelvic bones and leg proportions suggest it was also capable of walking upright on two legs, a defining characteristic of the human lineage. Following in Ardi's footsteps, around 3.9 million years ago, another pivotal species emerged, Australopithecus afarensis, best known for the famous fossil nicknamed Lucy. This remarkable hominin possessed a suite of anatomical features that firmly established it as one of our direct ancestors, standing at the cusp of the human evolutionary journey. Lucy's species exhibited a striking degree of bipedalism, with a pelvis, legs, and feet well suited for striding across the African landscape. Yet, her elongated arms and curved fingers hinted at an arboreal heritage, suggesting that Australopithecus afarensis likely combined terrestrial bipedalism with tree-climbing abilities, a versatile adaptation that allowed them to exploit a wide range of habitats and food sources. These early hominins, like Ardi and Lucy, represent the first tentative steps on a remarkable evolutionary path that would ultimately lead to the emergence of our own species, Homo sapiens. Their fossils, painstakingly unearthed from the ancient soils of Africa, offer a tantalizing glimpse into the dawn of our human odyssey, a journey that would span continents and epochs, shaping the very fabric of our existence. As the epochs marched on, our hominin ancestors continued to evolve, their bodies and minds adapting to the ever-changing landscapes and challenges of the African continent. Around 2.8 million years ago, a momentous transition occurred, the emergence of the genus Homo, marking a significant milestone in our evolutionary journey. The earliest known species of this genus, Homo habilis, or handyman, emerged in East Africa around this time period. These early humans possessed a larger brain capacity than their Australopithecus predecessors, a trait that would pave the way for the cognitive advancements that would later define our species. But perhaps more remarkably, Homo habilis is best known for its association with the earliest known stone tools, the first glimmers of technology that would ignite the spark of human ingenuity. Simple chopping tools, fashioned from rocks like basalt and quartz, allowed these early humans to butcher meat, crack open nuts and bones, and potentially even craft rudimentary shelters and clothing. This mastery of toolmaking represented a profound leap forward in our ancestors' ability to manipulate and shape their environment, marking the dawn of a new era in human evolution. No longer reliant solely on their bodies and natural surroundings, Homo habilis and its descendants could now harness the power of technology to augment their survival and adaptation. As the millennia passed, the genus Homo continued to diversify and evolve, giving rise to new species that would push the boundaries of human potential even further. Around 1.9 million years ago, a new hominin species emerged, Homo erectus, the first human ancestor to venture beyond the confines of Africa and conquer new frontiers. Homo erectus, with its larger brain capacity, taller stature, and longer legs, was well equipped for the challenges of long-distance migration and exploration. These ancient wanderers spread across vast swaths of the ancient world, adapting to diverse environments ranging from the arid deserts of North Africa to the lush tropics of Southeast Asia. Fossil evidence and archaeological remains offer glimpses into the remarkable resilience and ingenuity of Homo erectus. Their more advanced stone tool technologies, including hand axes and cleavers, allowed them to more efficiently hunt and butcher prey, while their ability to harness fire and construct basic shelters provided protection from the elements. As Homo erectus ventured into new realms, they encountered an array of unfamiliar landscapes, climates, and ecological challenges. Yet, their adaptability and resourcefulness enabled them to thrive, exploiting new food sources and developing innovative strategies for survival. Over the course of nearly 2 million years, Homo erectus populated vast regions of the ancient world, leaving an indelible mark on the evolutionary journey of our species. Their migrations and adaptations laid the foundations for the subsequent dispersal of modern humans across the globe, showcasing the remarkable resilience and exploratory spirit that has defined our species. While Homo erectus represented a significant evolutionary leap forward, the emergence of anatomically modern humans, Homo sapiens, around 300,000 years ago, marked a pivotal turning point in our species' history. These early modern humans possessed a suite of advanced cognitive abilities that would propel our species to new heights of innovation and cultural sophistication. With larger, more complex brains, early Homo sapiens exhibited capacities for abstract thought, language, and symbolic expression that far surpassed their ancestral predecessors. These traits, which we often take for granted today, were the catalysts that would ignite the fires of human creativity, problem-solving, and cultural transmission. Archaeological evidence from sites across Africa, such as the Blombos Cave in South Africa and the Deep Kloof Rock Shelter in Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, offer tantalizing glimpses into the burgeoning cognitive and cultural capabilities of early modern humans. Intricate engravings, ochre-based pigments, and finely crafted bone tools dating back tens of thousands of years attest to the artistic and technological prowess of our ancestors. Their ability to create symbolic representations and convey complex ideas through visual mediums marked a profound leap forward in human communication and expression. Moreover, the emergence of advanced hunting technologies such as spear points and hafted tools enabled early modern humans to become more efficient hunters and expand their dietary breadth. This, coupled with their adaptability and cognitive flexibility, allowed our ancestors to thrive in a wide range of environments, from the arid deserts of Africa to the frozen tundras of Eurasia. As modern humans dispersed across the globe, they encountered and interacted with other hominin species, such as the Neanderthals and Denisovans, leading to fascinating episodes of interbreeding and genetic exchange that have left an indelible mark on our species' genetic makeup. The remarkable journey of our human origins, spanning millions of years and countless generations, is a testament to the indomitable spirit of our species. From our humble beginnings as bipedal apes in the African savanna to the global dispersal of modern humans, our ancestors faced innumerable challenges and obstacles, yet they persevered, adapted, and ultimately thrived. As we gaze back across the vast expanse of prehistory, we are reminded of the incredible resilience, ingenuity, and curiosity that have defined our species from the very beginning. The fossils, stone tools, and ancient artworks left behind by our prehistoric forebears serve as silent witnesses to this extraordinary evolutionary saga, offering us precious glimpses into the lives and experiences of those who came before us. Yet the story of our origins is not merely a relic of the past. It is a living tapestry that continues to unfold with every new archaeological discovery, every genetic clue unearthed, and every insight gleaned into the complex interplay of biological and cultural forces that have shaped our species. As we stand on the shoulders of our ancestors, inheritors of their legacy and their indomitable spirit, we are compelled to look ahead, to ponder the future chapters of the human story that have yet to be written. What new frontiers await us? What challenges and opportunities lie on the horizon? And how will we, as a species, continue to adapt, evolve, and push the boundaries of what it means to be human? The echoes of our prehistoric past reverberate through the ages, reminding us of the extraordinary journey that has brought us to this moment. It is a journey that began in the ancient savannas of Africa and has carried us to the farthest reaches of the globe, a journey that has seen our species overcome insurmountable odds and reshape the very fabric of our world. And as we gaze into the future, we do so with the knowledge that the greatest chapters of our human odyssey may still lie ahead.